Not only is it breezy on the outside, it's also very breezy on the inside. This is a brand new house and lot for sale in Kingsville Royale, Antipolo. It has 5 bedrooms, 4 toilet and baths, and a 2-vehicle carport, and a jacuzzi on one of its balconies. Today we are in windy Kingsville Royale, Antipolo, and we have this brand new house and lot for sale with lots of contrast and character. But first, make sure you hit like, click subscribe, and click on the bell so you get notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos. We're on Facebook, so make sure you hit like and see first, and follow us on Instagram at Presello_official. My name is Julia, and welcome to another Presello open house tour. So from the front, this is what you will see. You have, again, as I mentioned, lots of contrast. You have gorgeous eaves, you have tempered glass, you have steel, you have wood, you have concrete, you have painted surfaces. It's beautiful. So over here in the center, the wind is so strong. We have a pedestrian gate. Then a few steps up, this is what will welcome you. That's your main entrance. Now you can go on either side of the property, but on the right side over there, you have your 2-vehicle carport with a manual gate. So this is again super brand new, so some parts haven't finished construction yet, so don't mind the construction materials. That being said though, let's go through the main entrance first. So you see here a large wooden door, very solid, and then you have a glass panel here on the left side, as well as a digital door lock that's currently turned off for us. And when you enter, open space. So the lower portion of the ceiling is still quite high, and then the living area portion has really high ceiling with matching windows. So you have this vista just presenting itself to you. It's beautiful. When you're standing here, all you see are the mountains surrounding you, and then you can also hear the wind actually. That's because right next to your living area, you have your dining area, which also has sliding doors that lead out to a, we could say it's a porch. And again, this has a view of those same greenery and sky. Now this may look completely open, and it is, but it is also still fully covered because you have the solid portion here, and then you have the tempered glass over there. So it really lets you, or makes you feel like everything's super like open, but still you're protected from the elements. Okay, so now over here by the kitchen, you have lots of counter space. You have a waterfall countertop, lots of storage underneath, a sink, an induction stove, and then provision for your refrigerator. And then from here, you can go through any of the doors on the left side. But let's go through this one first. So this one leads you out to the service area. And isn't it so nice and bright? Look at that. It's beautiful. It's nice and open, and still again protects you from the rain, at least because it's completely closed up top. You have your built-in counter with your sink, storage underneath, and of course all of the space that you might need for other appliances such as your washing machine, etc. You can also place your hanging rods over here for your laundry. Behind the camera we have the staff quarters, but we're not going to go there anymore. And then going back, okay, so they currently fill this with construction material, but this is storage. Right next to that, we have the guest powder room with the toilet and the sink and some storage underneath. And then right next to that, we have bedroom number 1. So you have this much space. You have a built-in wardrobe over here with some smoked glass so that you can see your clothes inside, and you do have lighting to illuminate your clothes. It's so nice. You don't have to open your wardrobe to see which one's already hanging, but it still looks nice and neat. This room also has its own ensuite toilet and bath with your sink, your toilet, and your shower space right here, with a niche right here and an awning window for ventilation. So going back out here, there's one more door. And this is more storage. Now you're gonna have to excuse the materials, but I do want to show this part because while it's storage under the stairs, look at how bright it is because you have so many windows underneath the stairs. So again, you have clothes and everything, but just imagine what you could do with this place. In fact, you could turn it into something, like it could be a fun playroom for kids even, because it's so nice and bright. Okay, speaking of nice and bright, check out your main stairs. You don't need handrails because you can practically, like this is 0.90, which is standard for stairs, but it feels safe, so you don't really feel the need to hold on to anything. Plus, the steps are super stable, super solid, and they are wide, so you don't feel like you're gonna fall off. Over this portion though, you of course have tempered glass following the rest of the floors, and can I just say, it looks very open. Also, thanks to the windows by the staircases that let in so much natural light that it really does make you feel like it's super open, because it is. Okay, so here on the second floor, the flooring is different. We now have wood-like tiles. And then we have 4 doors over here. And this one leads you to the common toilet and bath. And the finishes are solid. So you have your sink with some storage underneath, your toilet, and your enclosed shower space. And again, a nook or a niche for your products, and then a huge window for ventilation. Just check out this texture. I don't know if you can see it through the video, but it's super nice. It's stone-like almost. Of course, these are tiles, but they feel high quality because they are. Right next to that common toilet and bath, we have bedroom number 2. Similar to bedroom number 1, of course, you have space. Then you have your built-in wardrobe with, again, the glass or the smoked glass with the lighting inside so you can see your products, as well as the whole system for your clothing. So this is where you put or where you hang your pants, etc. And every room has unique lighting. For this one, it's these vertical LED light strips, or actually cylindrical. Oh, the wind is so nice. Right? It's so pretty. Okay, let's check out the other room so you can see the difference. So for this one, again, you have high ceiling, interesting ceiling design. You've got your built-in wardrobe with the smoked glass doors, complete system, beautiful window views, and unique lighting fixtures. Okay, so we're not gonna go through all of the rooms anymore, but I will show you that here on the second floor, you again have a view of your corner windows, your chandelier, and you have access to a balcony. So this balcony is at the front and corner of your property, and whew, you can probably tell in the mic, it's very windy. We are in Antipolo after all. The wind is fighting. All right, so you must be wondering, where is the master bedroom? Well, we're about to head up, but first make sure you hit like, click subscribe, and click on the bell because we love making these videos for you, and liking and subscribing is the best way for us to know if you want us to let us know if you want us to keep continuing what we're doing. Does that make sense? Hopefully that made sense. Okay, so because all of these awning windows are open, the wind tunnels in and out through here, and it's so breezy even here by the stairwell. Anyhow, now that we're at the top floor, you can see that the ceiling is even higher. You can admire the chandelier, and you can now go to the master bedroom. So you have an ante room before reaching the bedroom itself, so an entertainment room. And then in here, first thing you will see, past your door with the digital door lock, by the way, you have your walk-through closet, complete with all of the storage options that you might need, and your ensuite toilet and bath with your sink, your toilet, and your enclosed shower space. Then you have an awning window over there again for ventilation, still with high ceiling. And when we go back, this is the main area itself. Look at this. So you have the bed area, and then you have the entertainment area on this side / office if you want it to be an office. Now, for the other portion of this floor, the pièce de résistance. You might be wondering, is it the view? Yes. But also, it's the view with a jacuzzi. Look at this. This is why living in Antipolo is such a good idea. Wow. Super windy. Perfect day, by the way. Blue skies, so much greenery. Super windy. Oop. Okay, try my best to protect the mic, but we can do the recap here right now. So you have 211 square meters of lot area and then 350 square meters of floor area split between 3 levels. 5 bedrooms, 4 toilet and baths, and a 2-vehicle carport. Again, this is in Kingsville Royale, Antipolo. So the air is nice and fresh. It's cool and breezy. This particular property has beautiful views, as you can tell from this point of view, and you get to enjoy it in your balconies, in your jacuzzi. Even when you're on the second floor, it's beautiful. So if you or anyone you know is interested in a place like this, and this is in a very secure subdivision, mind you, send this video to them, or if you want to see it for yourself, send us a message, or go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello. Hey guys, if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, make sure you click here. And if you want to see more house tour videos, click right here. And we also have this new thing called Working Lunch with Presello, where I and a few random people talk about a few random things related to real estate. So if you want to join in on the conversation, make sure you click right here.